Let's have a look at the commutative law. We know that, for example, if we were going to calculate 2 plus 3, it doesn't matter if we write it 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. We're going to end up with the same answer anyway. This is 5 and this is 5. So with addition plus, it's okay to change the order. Same thing if we have 4 times 5, we can change the order. 5 times 4. This is 20 and this is 20. So multiplication is also fine to change the order. But 8 minus 7 equal 1. But if we change the order, 7 minus 8, that's minus 1. So this is not okay. Same thing with division. If we have 6 over 2, 2 over 6. If we calculate this, it's not going to be the same thing. So we can use the commutative law for addition and multiplication. That's the conclusion. So these examples are going to be easy because we know that division and subtraction is not okay to change the order like this. So we know that this is false. This is not the same thing as this, and this is not the same thing as this. We can of course double check by calculating this. 8 over 4 is 2 and 4 over 8 is 0.5, so it's not the same thing. So this is false. So you can go ahead and do these on your own. Page 2. We're gonna use the commutative law to calculate this and make it a little easier by changing the order. Instead of taking 2.5 times 21 and then times 2, we're going to change the order on these two. So we move the 2 over here and 21 over here. So we have 2.5 times 2, and that one is easier. So 2.5 times 2 is 5, and then we take 5 times 21 is 105. So how about example number 2? Let's write it out. 2, so 13.27 plus 11.5 plus 6.73. Instead of taking 13.27 plus 11.5, we change the order. We change the order on these two. So 13.27 plus, we move this one over here. 6.73 plus 11.5. Now we add this and this. 13.27 plus 6.73. This is 13 and 6. It's 19. And the decimals 27, 73. This is going to be 1. So this is going to be 20. And then we have this still. So plus 11.5. This is 31.5, which is the answer. How about number 7 with multiplication? 0.25 times 2.5 times 16 times 11.6. If you don't want to write it out like this, you can just decide which ones you want to use first. How about this one times this one? 0.25 times 16, that's 4. So I just write 4 here, and then this is the same, and this is the same as before. So times 2.5 times 11.6. And now I'm gonna calculate 4 times 2.5, because that's 10. Times 11.6. And when we have decimal number times 10, we just move this decimal point to the right one step. So it's 116, 116, which is the answer.